Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Education Mantra. Welcome back again guys. Today we are going to discuss very important MCQ type questions on class 8 Human Resource Chapter 6 Geography. New to the channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification. And if you find our video informative, then like our video, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Let's continue. Human Resource Development Ministry was formed in India at central level of government in which year? In 1990, in 2004, in 1985, or is it D 2015? The correct answer is in 1985. The Human Resource Development Ministry was formed, in which two continents, three quarters of the world's people live: South Central Asia and Europe, Asia and Africa, both A and B, or none of these. So we all know that Asia and Africa are the two countries which are mostly populated of the three quarters of the world's population. What is the ultimate resource on the earth? Land, minerals, human beings, or is it D, capital? We all know that human beings are the ultimate resource on the earth. Let's continue. It is the number of years that can average person can expect to live. Life expectancy, birth rate, population pyramid, or is it D? None of these. So the correct answer is life expectancy. Sparsely populated mountains are okay, Ganga Plains, Sahara Desert, Himalayas, or is it D? Aravalli. So out of these four options, Ganga Plains is not a mountain, Sahara Desert is not a mountain, so the left one is Himalayas and Aravalli. So the correct answer is Himalayas. It's a mountain range. It's a hill range, okay? The correct answer is Himalayas. The process of taking account of total number of people in a country is called census, birth rate, both A and B, or none of these. Correct answer is census. Census is the process of taking account of total number of people in a country. It is the movement of people in and out of an area called emigration, migration, natural growth rate, or is it D, population density. Let's discuss. Population density cannot be there because it is written that movement. Okay, so population density cannot be there. Natural growth rate, no. So you can easily eliminate two options. So it is written both in as well as out. Okay, so emigration is not for in and out both. It is for only one. So it's not there. So the correct answer is migration. Migration is the movement of people in and out of of an area. When a person enters a new country, it is called immigration, emigration, migration, or none of these. In the above question, we had discussed that migration is movement of in and out, so it cannot be there. So emigration is for outgoing. When a person leaves a country and goes to a new country, so when he or she enters a new country, it is called immigration. So the correct answer is A, immigration. This country has experienced a loss in population numbers due to outmigration. Okay, outmigration means emigration. A, USA, B, Australia, C, Sudan, or is it D, India? So the correct answer for this question is Sudan. Please remember all the name of countries that are given in your NCERT books. These all questions have been taken from NCERT books. So these are really very important questions. Which country has high population growth rate? Answer is, so options are India, China, Kenya, or is it D, Pakistan? The correct answer is Kenya. In which country low birth rates make the pyramid narrow at the base? Kenya, Japan, Russia, or is it D, China? So the correct answer is Japan. It refers to the structure of the population, population composition, population density, both of these, or none of these. Correct answer is population composition. So both of these cannot be there, none of these cannot be there. So population density is something else. Okay. So the question of the day is, in migration is called emigration, immigration, census, or none? Answer in comment box. So the yesterday's last video's question of the day's answer is option D, noise pollution. Everyone who has guessed that right will get a heart from my side. So this was all for the video. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel and press the bell notification. Thank you.